That I wanna see what the real bad mind. We did do couples match. And we decide so we are come out in a couples. Me and my man are come out in a pink. Lammy and Fairman come on. You know Lammy, she's simple. She just come out in her normal clothes, whatever. Me, you know me outdo. Me I gotta do my makeup and me I gotta do this. That's just me. She come out how she feel comfortable, cool. Like she come out in her full black, no makeup and cool. Me come out in my full pink, mask down, makeup down, everything. That's just me. My man come out in a film pink and everything. You know him extra. Marvin come out and match him woman vibes. No, my man have a pink. We call a thing that we put over your face. Javi come out in a pink mask. Mask up. Me in a pink dress. Lammy come out in a fair black. Marvin come out in a film black. First of all, Marvin first come out. I think we did a Javi on the live last. Marvin come out and Marvin in a full black and Marvin sit down and him talk to Pumpkin. And me come on the screen and then me add Javi. When blood clot Marvin see Javi in a mask. You know what Marvin did? Marvin run. Marvin run. Go get the same mask and put on. Marvin be a fucking self. And then you want to say me and my man bad mind. Be a fucking self. You just kill, you just mash up everything in the match. The match supposed to be a couples match and everybody come out in them own team and look good. If my man did go for one bag, probably Marvin will go for one bag put on too. So since we don't want to talk about bad man, let's talk about it. Another thing when we not going to accept Marvin is you want putting figure it out under the bus. Figure it out. First of all, uno say figure it out, not to come live and say certain things. Uno forgot to say a Jaden and figure it out on the phone. Jaden did have the phone on speaker and the whole live here will figure it out say in a one man yard for 2 weeks, that circulate on the internet. Why should anything stay on the low when uno same people want to know exact? Remember uno force to know what go on. So why uno in the comment section are force to know what happened? And then when people are telling you what happened, your ear say, oh, that's why I'm not keep friend and that's why because friend are going to come talk. So why not force to know when people are going to tell you it's a problem? When him talk on the phone, Javi never know say Jaden have him pan live. Me know when Jaden come enough time, Jaden have me pan live. That's why I'm be careful of what I say. And majority of the time I already watching live when I'm not the live, so I know him the live. When he called Javi, Javi was upset. And him say in a one man and yard for 2 weeks. And if you listen good, I think he did also say he can't believe Marvin do that. But we never hear the part there. We never hear the part there. We never hear the part when he say he can't believe. Something like he can't believe what Marvin do or something like that. And in a one man in yard for 2 weeks. But we don't left out the part there. We don't left out the first part and only hear the part for 2 weeks. But we go down into it. After that done and said and gone, Javi end up get sick, Me did black Javi. And my mother then call me, sensation then call me and tell me, say, cause Javi have them number and then talk. And say Javi in the hospital, Me know say Javi that go get check up, but me know say it that bad. So me end up unblock him, I'ma call him, I'm in on the phone. Now, Marvin, let's just leave it at this. Cause me not gonna be the one for come issue to the business, but me gonna just leave it at this. Marvin, tell people them the truth. Tell people Marvin, tell people them the truth, Marvin. Tell people them say their own. Figure it out. And you're just a news carrier. That's it. Just that's all I'm going to say. Me not getting enough for them thing. Make them come deal with it. Uno not go force me for talk. Uno not like me. Remember my bad mind. That's me. I go just leave it like that. Tell people them say the same people them you socialize around. You constantly bring them name to people, and the people them when you bring their name to them get them send it back. That's it. Just that I need for tell people them. And that is the reason why Javi is so upset. Cause you're not gonna bring my man under the bus and make everybody. Cause me see comments and then you're so wicked, Marvin. You're such a wicked person. Because you know what you do. Javi not just get up and cuss Marvin, brother. There is no reason for Javi to get up and hate you when Javi has done nothing but be a good friend to you. Them say a friend to all is a friend to none. That's the saying. A friend to all is friend to none. You know what you did, Marvin. You know who you gonna tell this and who you gonna tell that, and the same people them bring back the name because them have more loyalty than you. You never gonna bring no news to them personally and then just skip it. You go make complaint, you go talk this, you go talk that, and it ear back. And when whoever ear back asks you about it, you're shocked. And that is the reason why my man vex and I want you in yard for not much weeks and I want you around him. So why you come now and make Javi look like a pussy? You have to stop it. And this is what I say me now and black on because you woman together now wicked and not try to look sympathy. You know what you're doing. Javi not just get up and just eat pan you. You know what you do? You see true me and Lammy. You see true me and Lammy look a thing where I played out on the internet. You try, and the people then done I say me bad mind for the match and whatever. So you know what you do now, you try use that, you know. You try flip it now, and I go with the flow, feel make it look like a true no win one match. Me and figure it out vex. When you know what you personally do to the youth, where you and the youth have totally different from what me and Lammy have. Furthermore, me and Lammy don't even really have no. Me just vex because the girl never ball out and shout out if you load them, and that's me. If you not used to Vani by now, me don't know what you not go used to me, guys. When I talk about if Vani a God, be real. When Vani feel threatened by somebody or feel like somebody no real to her, what me do people? Me not black them. Make Javi tell you how much time I block him before it come on the internet. Brother, me no want this Javi certain way when my head chip out. Me no want this Javi and go down back the road certain way when my head plug out. So you know what I do? I block him for a short period of time. And when I block him, I always unblock him and say, I miss you. Because I get back in my sense now. I just start feel like, alright, I wear off with what I wear off and I go just come back around. Yeah, maybe that not nice. And I have to probably for me work on that. I will work on that. I saw me let out my freeness and my temper by blocking people. Some people, if me just class you and block you, me just eat it at the moment and me class you and block you. When me block Lammy, me never disrespect Lammy. Me never disrespect Lammy when me block Lammy. Me just see Pre and she ring down my phone at the time. Probably she want to talk to me about what it go on the live, but it's through the temper with me in her. And me see the screen recording them and she laugh. And me I say to myself, so, oh, me don't tell myself, say you're pussy already, you know. When me da answer the call and I say, me I gotta be very disrespectful. You probably are gonna say something on me and it trigger me head and me no want to class up on the phone. So I block you off of my phone. Me eat it and me block you and me decide to adjust. Your people them say my bad mind. So if your people them say my bad mind, I personally don't think I should be playing match with a person where every minute me I go play with them. Suppose me and let me play one match now and me lose. You got here say look on her face, she bad mind. Why me keep her and I go play with you? It don't make no sense. Why should I constantly play with you? And if me I go lose the match today, them I go comment now. Suppose me I the friend now, me start playing match now and me lose. Can't every time you go win, you go here say, look on her face. I when my face I set no way, you go here say, look on her face, she bad mind for you. So me draw with myself so no have nothing for say about me. Why everybody vex because I block her? I me never diss her when me block her. Me just block the girl. Me never diss her, me just block the girl. If you say me call her girl and I disrespect that the whole of we call one another girl, the whole of we are Jamaican. Calling your girl no mean to say me disrespect you. Whole of we talk the same. You know what I do too. Marvin, back to you. What me now go accept, Marvin? This type of fucking crackhead behavior is not fucking acceptable on a Sunday day. You know why? Because here all you is nothing but a fucking triceratops, brachiosaurus, fucking ass, dinosaur looking face boy is a wicked and a traitor. You know what you do? You come on the internet and you go live. Here you know, because you want yourself to look good, you know. Here you know. Hear the things that I say. Brother. Hear me now, no? Brother, me I tell you, you know. Me I want to release to you them, you know, because guess what go on? When the dog did sick out what day, me don't even hear you now. Me don't even brush my teeth. Me don't even beard. Me get up out of my bed with my mouth think. And me no brush my teeth and me no beard and what? Me follow you got the doctor. And me did the doctor with you the whole day. Marvin, yes you did all that. You want to know why? Because Javi, first of all, Javi never knows I saw you wicked yet, you know. Javi never knows I saw you wicked yet. Yes, you follow him got the doctor because he is a good friend. But at the same time, you're chatting behind him back. And him never know. So, of course, You follow him, got a doctor. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for doing that. You're such a good friend. And we applaud. Woo! Marvin brought Javi to the doctor. Yay! May I get $1,000 for that time? Could have done. Yes. We're happy. Done. But talk about how you sit down and bring news for your own friend. And you got your friend yard every day and you chat your friend. Talk about that. Because you come on the internet and want to make yourself look good. Because you're not. Him go live, go talk. Hear him no? Hear him no? Guys, if you don't ever know what, it is this small. Hear him no? If you don't ever know what, the thing where Javi come on the live and make me look like me a pussy, it is this small. Alright, tell the people them. Marvin, I dare you to tell the people them what is this small and let the people them decide. Make the people them decide. Right or wrong, guys? Right or wrong? Click if it is this small. Come remember, we don't show you another bus already and we don't bad man you, so I think you can come talk now. If it is this small, let the people on TikTok hear what happened and make them make a decision. Make them, because one thing we know them are going to be straightforward. Come tell the people them, because I uno got to phone me. Not uno got to phone business, you know. A phone business that make uno talk. If it is this small, Marvin, if it is this small, tell the people, turn on your live now and tell the people them what is this small, and then let the people them decide if Javi had all right to behave the way or him behave, or if him is a traitor to you. Make people them decide, because you're the only person you can fool are the people them want to really know you. Like people them want to really know you. Well, a friend to all is friend to none. Because you're in the same household and you do some fucked up things in there. I couldn't want you around me. You're a friend killer. You could have taken your life and you don't know. And then they don't go page you, you know. And then they go page you wicked. And the people that say, just, alright, here we go. You just go on for your ways, brother. I will go on for your ways. I bet you come live and say, guys, boy, you don't know how friendship go. We have a look at thing and we make a look of fuck up move and me take accountability and me apologize for it, and I just saw it go. Marvin, that's fucking it. That is it. Oh don't know how to take accountability for things. More while, let me tell you something. Me take accountability for my own time in more while, you know. You don't take accountability. You said that you're a friend and you want to keep your friendship. You know, do nothing to keep your friendship. You sit down and allow the internet for beat, figure it out and talk about a same they do him ex-friend and you know, and loyalty. Like the youth do something. Like the youth do something when you are the host enemy. And you are the host enemy, you know. And you do what you do, you know. And you do what you do. And you sit down and make the people them have him like a... Alright, since I live, me I tell you. So when Marvin go live, all me can say, tell Marvin to come talk. Tell him to come talk. Tell him where, ask him what him do. Me could see. Cause me I feel them business. So I lie me I tell, and then I say story go, okay, cool. And I say go. When Marvin come live, you see like remember you know, first of all, he come live and he say where them did have this small. So I can't lie me I tell, cause something actually did go on. So if it is this small Marvin, and you remember you talking about live say it not give Javi no reason to come on live and make him look like a pussy or make him look like him and a friend. So if you feel like you're betrayed, come live and tell the people then what happened so the people then decide and make us see. That's all me need you to do. Until you can do that, me done with Uno from today, you know. Me done with Uno, you know. Because you see me, I rather have a loyal ranker friend than these viewers. Sorry. I rather have a loyal. Because despite anything we see rankers them go through, I them that again. We are rankers and we now go always agree with certain things. If me and Jaden play one match and we are debate, and every time Jaden says something, me I go agree with it. And every time me say something, Jaden I go agree with it. Sometimes we go have a little argument. Sometimes we go say some things what joke to you are dead to me. Either come like you're there at school and you don't get along with your schoolmate. Either come like you're there and your kids them can't get along. It's the same thing on TikTok. The whole of we there and we can't get along. But at the end of the day, Somehow, if you're not that deep, we're all friends again. Majority of we have a number and we text off the ear, da. You rather the comment section them over your bonafide friend them. And I can tell you now, if I know your real gifter them whether they fear from day one, can you text one of these people if you know one problem and say, give me $1,000 now. Them I give you them not look pan blood clot yo. Them I look pan yo. You can go vent to some of them people in the comment section. They're not real. They only some of them have views, they only follow you because of you. I'm tell you something, alright. As an example, you see everybody hate me now. Support Cardi B if you come from my life, come just a pour me be a gift now. And be one of my biggest gifter. Me I go have 20,000 people in my life every day. You know what I got more? All who never let me start gift me because they want their name show up in a screen record. That's how TikTok run. If I celebrate, if you come from my page right now and start gift me or come up in my box, all of a sudden everybody like me. Everybody want to be my gifter because they want to be seen. All who say they never don't go give me dime, start give me roses and galaxies. All who never yet recharge, start recharge. Them turn big gifter because they want to be seen. Because at the moment. So majority of this, I mean I say people can get for like you know. Yes, you can get people from suicide and then meet you and then turn around for them by your team now and them like love regular. We under the bus and make it look like say we actually did something wrong. Me never do that, me no. More than you just never did it for me when you're supposed to do it for me like how me did it for you. Me always go all out for people and they never go all out for me. And when me see that, me block and me go. So when uno go say, oh, me can't keep no friend, I rather don't have none than a fake one. I rather don't have one than one who go throw me under the bus. I rather don't have none. I rather don't have one friend. Up till today, me and Trigger are still friend. Whole heap of years and counting. So get that correctly. I have a best friend when named Trigger from Jamaica. Trigger does not do me either, so I'm gonna put him up. My friend that will help me get will take shot for me too. And me and him a friend up till this day. So don't know talk about she can't keep friend. Don't look at research. I wanna know a Trigger too. Don't look at research. Me never do her nothing. And I do, and then when you get up and go to church, like you know, oh, and we're outside. And the worst part about it, all in a Marvin head is lammy and yummy mouth. Yummy mouth. Now I'm not real. Cause you take me a go chat, you take me a chat my man with you. Let's say, no loyalty. You're full, you don't have no loyalty. That's why people can diss you and bring on a name and bring on a business on the internet because you don't have no loyalty. They can still tell people like me, so. Me? You have your woman and you come and tell me things about your woman and I talk about your woman, talk about why dog I'll come like a style thing because she gonna buy AC. You think say me, I go to none of my girlfriend them and tell them say, oh, Javi this. For she go call back my name when story. You must be mad. If anybody for chat anybody, I must me. And my man I sit down and chat on the baby. I not sit down and chat my man with none of my friend them. I mean not sit down and chat my man with none of him friend them. If me I chat anybody on TikTok, I rather call Javi on the phone and say, babes, you don't know what going on. I'm rather me and my man sit down and chat. And if push come to shovel, I'm me sit down and chat. So talk what you say too. But me not sit down and tell my friend them nothing. For my friend them run go back go tell my man, oh nah, you don't even loyal to do man where you fuck. So then me don't have loyalty to. If you don't have no loyalty, if you don't have loyalty to man where you fuck, and me go have loyalty to, and then you know I try to change this run but oh Vani want Marvin. Where the fuck that A train come from? And what kind of some of them you not put by my name? Say me want Marvin. All we left from who I give or Natalie to me wanting Marvin. Then if you not let me ask you something. If me didn't want Marvin, what if stop it? Me afraid for company life come say me want him? No, you know me. Who gonna beat me if me come and say me want him? Who gonna fucking beat me if me say me I go get him? Who gonna beat me if me say me want him? What for me with Marvin? Me not say what do him, but me never look on the boy the type of way they yet. Me never look on him yet. Furthermore, me don't even know about Marvin until me I figure it out. Deep start talk. I didn't tell me know about Marvin. I never know about Marvin. I one night me up on the screen and figure it out, must say add him. I don't even know say I'm friend. I don't even know at first me I see him. And he said, what go on, mama? And that's how come I start heal him and talk to him. And he follow me and I follow him. And then when me I scroll one next time, I see him on in live and I go on it and I start commenting. And Javi was right there in the car. When I go like say a long time, I know this a boy and I want him. And long after me and Javi start get serious, I know that a boy there. And another thing, I need one up on the internet for tell me if my man into me or not. I want him, but Vanny no delusional. Delusional campaign for my name because I no stand for fuckery. If a boy slipping slide, you know, so when he hang up the phone for me, I go post my ex and then he will on a vex. You could have vex, you know why? Him want me petty, that I run man joke. So I could be delusional. He hang up in a me ears and I go post my ex. That for sure so I run joke. You want fuck with me, I fuck back with you. As some stay. So if me I go manless, me I go manless. If me I go friendless, me I go friendless. But delusional, you can't call me delusional. Never. So I come again. And me and Javin need uno for tell me if we want each other or not. Me know me want him. Me know him want me. Me need uno for tell me who me want from. Uno forgot to have brother, who me afraid of this world? You think me care about a boy feelings? Me no con man, you know? Me no stay like uno, me no con man. Fuck out of my hole and get money back then when me used to fuck in a real life and collect me dividends. Me never see a man and me not like them and act like me like them for take them money. If I saw be the case, Eddie would have still be my gift till today. Cause all of the man them we used to give me big then did want me and me no hook up with them and that's why me not have them and gift me again. Me not still like uno can uno no like the man them and uno can them and take the money. That's not me. If me not like you, me not like you. If me like you, me like you. Me want Javi and that's why I stay there. If me never want him, me tell him long time say me no want. If me need to find some get back shit, when everything did mash up, me da laugh and me da block and me go about my business. So me no need uno for tell me all I wanna talk about move with your AI relationship. Of course I love it. Big up to the people them where do the AI picture, them look cute na blood clot. It look cute cause one thing me know me not jump bad for Javi down there, no come have a son in America, me have to stay here. And I don't want him jump bad or come either because I'm a whole heap of things where he might accomplish down there. When the time is right, the time is right. Fuck now run, we're gonna away. Me now run, we're gonna away, me can't fly. Just like how on a favorite content creators can get work permit and visa, him can get one too. And them never get it right away. Them did have to wait 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and them wait patiently and them wait silently until them get them visa, them come out and them hype. Make my man wait for him turn. Him no need for cross no border and stay in a 1 year in a detention. When him get him work permit and visa, him get it. Nothing no need for rush nothing for make uno feel good. Me alright. Me look at FaceTime them, me alright. Me look at Texas them, me alright. Look at present them when me I get and when me I give him back, me cool. I mean, I'm a beg man, nothing, you know, because I have my one. And not like when you have your one and him a feel one. I need for beg my man nothing. And my man don't need for beg me nothing. Because two will have it. You buy me something, I feel like you're doing nice, I buy you back something. I say it go. So I'm not happy for me now. And at the last me talk about them. The last me talk about Uno. And if me see them turn back friend with Javi, I feel them business that. Me cut them off for my reasons. You cut them off for fear reasons. That not nothing to do with me. Because when I go like so the see when the other two friend them did run them with too. And so when I fuck up. When Jaden you run them and so when I fuck up. Enough to do that to Marvin. When you talk about Marvin. And when Jabba run Marvin, I said Marvin me not rate them the style. I never that call them down. All them never bad mind for tell Marvin the truth. But when me I tell Marvin the truth or Jabby I tell Marvin the truth, we bad man. Because I don't like we. And it done. Wrap this up now. To the box. Remember we say we are at the dirty people them. When I like we want to come ask no questions them in the box. I don't want to hear nobody I got tell me about Vanny, I love you. I don't want to hear it. You can't keep on the love to yourself kind of fake. I don't want to hear it. Honestly. I start treat people how them treat me now. Anybody come on my page and talk about Vanny a long time I watch your Vanny, I love you. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear keep your head high. I know if you keep get one half on the chest. We have done everything today. And that me I talk about mix up. Get one because you know me not understand. Every screen record me pass on in the recording them and a class me in the box. But if me say add pan the live and ask your question, you're afraid. Like so good TikTok liar. Always in a box that bring me down. And anytime I buck her up on the live, she run like a thief. Why you run? And then 2 minutes after you go there for your live class. My class me know in my face so I can tell you about your wheelchair when I stop key clock clock. So I can tell you about your wheelchair when I stop key clock clock. So on the sudden request me I had accept 10 people and then me hit the road. Don't no can go in now, no can go in now, no box now and call up my name. Me not give a fuck. Anybody will defend me, I them me I defend. Javi defend me to the ground, and me I defend him to the ground when me walk on. Yeah. Him defend me I defend him. I remember him not really have much people in them camp, cause I want to sell him out and pick on the side. So I will be here to stay. I remember TikTok not build me. TikTok never build me. Come here with my popularity. And like the rest of them will get it pan yeah. And it can done yeah. When mine gone yeah, me have Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, favorited, Twitter, OF, Kick. All sorts of different places can go. Who them you know? Me can't wreck baby from 2017 you know not tell me about me I go wreck. A 20 blood clot 2026 now. Can't fall off. Me do something fast making nobody. Let me get the fuck out of here. Why don't I block them? Hello? Black sheet too. And when them send a request and them a make joke, black them moderator. Black them. And a joke. Talk or not for talk no, like wanna talk every day. Talk. Hey, Shanti Wama, me just see on it. Rossi comments down subscribe. Hello?
What should he start? Vanny, hold on the blackmail, Lord Jesus. Wi-Fi get problem.
Take her down. They're afraid. That's what I talk about. They're afraid. No, I just see the people.
Barney go suck your mother one blood clot, Lamin, and a one blood clot, Marvin. Go suck out your mama ugly blood clot, y'all. And a one blood clot was all stinking Ivani. You're too bad mind no blood clot and you're jealous. You're a jealous blood clot, bad mind, y'all. You're jealous no blood clot.
Who take him down? Why y'all take him down? No, send back a request. This is Sunday. Get well enough to get off on the chest. Send him back a request. Because if I one thing, me know you have police box everybody in our country. You have a bad man brother everywhere in our country. Once Vanya somebody go at it, I one of them. What do you mean here? Say, you think me and Shade did have something here, you one Shade. And moderator, if you want to see about that page, you block him again. You're up. You have one somebody me now look pan. Next. Yeah, one somebody me now. If any open to get that page there and block it. Search it and block it. Next. In Bilal fake page for sure you. The Bilal fake page go send me request. Right now if me and Louis go at it, I go come and say a one Louis. As me now look for you obsessed.
One.
The music loud.
Everyone.
Hello. I'm going to pin that, you know. I mean, I had a fake page them to me wrong for add them. We have 5 more minutes because I waste my time.
Hey, Vonnie.
I want to go picnic for show. Hello.
What's going on?
I'm there.
You good?
No. This is not what we sign up for. Blood clot. A different thing with the me say. The people that were having a question on the hateful this come and ask and ever in a boxes I bring with down and ever ask a question in a boxes. I tell people that are on the screen don't know what ask. And that made them laugh with nobody not like me.
Vonnie, yeah? me no call you because you can me love you from morning, girl. Me love you. Me I follow your page long time from Facebook days.
Alright, love it too, but I know that me there about different topic, different category. The people them forget about them chest. Me say, if you don't love me, me love you too, but not send no request about that. After me now them watch. Alright.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
For the dead man page and block him, guys.
Yeah, I'm not pertaining to that, but I'm saying is all the screen record going on and Chida asked about what the size of figure it out inch. From that I saying something wrong about
Yeah,
she.
dirty girl. Where you ask for my man cup? And then
Yeah.
make sure she disrespectful.
Yes.
She disrespectful. You know, say she call Marvin. She must say call him and text him ask for my batty man. And the boy vex.
Yes, from them time me I say, why should I ask them look a silly question? Them something I right.
But what I know,
People personal.
people them and the people then not tarnish she now. I said maybe she want Javi, but me when I say no to Marvin or nothing like that, you say me want Marvin. Because did me ask if Marvin this and Marvin that year, them would have pulled back your record and see that. They would have pulled up back your record and say, see that? I choose she want him and she can't get him, and then that's where it come from.
Yeah, that's so true. That's so true. That's what my point across the board. That's so true, mama.
Alright, later, mama. You're going to go at the end.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see if you remember about that. She call her man and ask her man say, if my batty man and the boy vex him. I don't understand. Something that we know go on with. You know, for stop act like you see it and this cry for wish list this and wish list that. It's all a show. I feel like I am in planet. A girl can come to me say, yeah, Natalie no plan the night. You, Natalie, and Marvin planet. Because I understand no wicked, you know. I start all that think now, no wicked. I would have on planet for go fuck around my meds. Knowing how me no make no slide and know me go cuss about you. For make me look bad. And then all of a sudden now, my teeth crack, me did that thing, so me that suck Javi cock. And it crack. What about that, huh? How? And now, I feel like I own a planet. I for come fuck around me knowing say me go talk the things and go and vex. So if it make me look like a fool, I don't feel like I no win, I no reach, I no this, I no that. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. So one girl that me seeing a one box here, Rosalie people them come, cause you see you like my man Javi. Well, what's your name, Sarah? Remember all I you know, me seeing well,
yeah, girl, I'm text about Shakur. Look at my message. I'm say about Shakur real quick.
No, one for the other phone. Me have to go look when me come off. Me soon. I will take her. Or mother don't stop taking down the people them and she cut. Well, I see one girl today in one back session. She this. Come, talk to me now. Sarah. As popular as me remember you. I will take her down or somebody. As she come down herself. Hello? You're on Ivani Live. I just saw you in a box today with Rosalie. Then what you gonna say now? Oh, cool. Alright. Only bad one. Yeah. Only bad one in a box. Me see that woman there in a box today with the girl, the people, them and talk, oh, they don't like Javi. A long time, them don't like her, they don't like me. Yeah, me see her, me I watch a live for about 15 minutes good. 15 minutes good, me I watch the live and them in a box. I say, oh, they never like Javi from day one and this, and then they have 780 people I watch them over there. The whole our people them in there with our picture, and she up there talking things them too. And you up there talking things them too. So where your question, where you can ask, you come sit down and look. I'm not cussing, you know. I just want to talk like on in a box. Get the fuck down, man. What the fuck wrong with your house? Moderator, block the moderator. You see? When I add the people them on the live and they act like a fucking idiot, block them off my page. Can I take this thing for a joke thing? Block each and every one of them. Take them down. Alright, watch. That's total.
Ivani, no club, get to talk to you finally. So, oh, you not talk about. Say a me video you the night when I get shut up on Mega Mart. And give him a little popularity, but I go on a road.
Remember who
That me never video you, they wouldn't believe you, in a girl.
remember who shot me much less we know who video me, you know. So I talk about mix up right now. Me know who shot me much less who video me. Maybe no my blood clot reach pan ground. Yeah, if you didn't lift me up, not trigger lift me up. Nobody twist me an idea, you know. Remember who even shot me much less remember who pick see me get shot me all blind. Me remember who lift me up?
Honey, I think Lammy secretly wants you.
Want
I
me?
think she's into girls.
No, that's not what I think. I just think she's just a fucking wicked and she just go. Let me tell her, listen. No, I'm not gonna let you answer that yourself, you know. Listen, let me tell you now. May I tell you what it is, right? What it is this is what I personally think. While I'm never different, this is what I think. I felt like through Natalia did up on the live and Natalia Gifford, me feel like now Lammy never wants to say anything because she probably think Natalia was going to leave and not give her again, even though the match did done. Me, I feel like no, so she probably never wants to say nothing because she don't want to run with the gifter because she look a little dividends. And if that's be the case, baby, you're still a fucked up fake friend too. Me not put no money over my friend them. Me not ask you. And every money a good money. So if that you do, you fuck up too. And no if I saw me the case, me I go say you not have no loyalty. Me not put no girl we shoot for spite over none of my friend them. So if that you did afraid because you're afraid for say so and it comes again. I didn't even say you should say anything to her because this still and not even she said something I talk about the comments. But you feel like if you address the comment, you feel like maybe Natalia go say, well, because remember say Natalia likes the comment at this minute. That's why she shoot out a spite, you know. So if you open up your mouth and say something, she'll probably not want to give you again or whatever. But you have to remember say I never Natalie did. You have to remember say if I never for see she would come by for one shoot off for you for the spite. So it's still bubble down back to a we did there. All away. It's still bubble back down to all away. Cause where was Natalia too to give you when you never did have nobody? And she know about you cause she see your sister entanglement. She did every blood clot with on TikTok. You can't tell me say she don't know what did that go on. She know about you but she choose not to. She never give a fuck about you until you left on screen with we. So uno still not a liar to uno. Smarty, we come tell us that I'm gonna give you $50 million for chop me up and you that chop me up and take you $50 million.
Hi, honey.
Answer me. Where request there? Hello, how they do?
How do you do, darling? I love you so much, not to mention Ice. I just like...
Mix up now. Because we're upon different. Me don't know who really love me and who don't love me for trouble. Word is anything. They say anything they want to say. Mama block you. Because fair page you there. I don't know if I'm now. Marita block Abigail too. Block her from my page because she come up a blood class like a face time made up and block her. If people let me know comments I want add say add because me not add no one body from the request. I know yeah them I can't. But me not say if I don't know so in the comments. You have to send the requests. Oh, me see you now. Some of them not show up. Me know if I fake on the page now. Some on the page now add.
Hey,
Yeah?
you hear me?
They ship to the UK?
No, it's too far.
So who me go order it? Alright. Thanks.
You have shipping company.
Alright.
Alright, yeah. No, I can't take her down a business that you're brighty. Come on, blood clot business.
Vanny, move your shooty blood clot and talk where Marvin do figure it out in a blood clot house. From man you sit down on 11 and say that we are weird pan. Your company they talk about everything else and that we want here. And move your shooty blood clot and come off our internet, man.
Your vex cause me not talk what go on in the house. Here she come down. That's good. The woman vex cause she want me. What are that? The woman vex cause me for talk what Marvin do in the house.
Mommy.
Why you want me for talk though? Who do not like me? I'm a bad man.
Mommy.
So why you want to hear the information from me? I don't know.
Mommy.
Ask Marvin.
Mommy.
Eh?
Daddy.
Drink juice. No, she's serious. Why you want to know that information from me? She come on the live ready for hear mix up, but me now gonna talk. I said, you're stupid. I'm first one guy, man. I'm first. Why when Marvin come live, ask Marvin. Marvin said it was this small. When Marvin come live, ask Marvin. Me not living at the house world. Me don't get look up. Bumbo can I give the body? Starboy! Starboy, thank you. When Marvin come, you ask Marvin next. Me see who else for add the fit. Me add the people them when on a DP. When Marvin come, you ask Marvin, baby. Me not put up no information.
Yeah, Vanny, me glad me reach. You know, from when we are pretty look dirty girl, from the night when you figure it out and roll on the panda like, you know, me not gonna call him figure it out, me gonna call him Javi. Me say, girl,
And I mean, call him
expression. So backside, the girl brighty. She outada.
What do you mean by she not call him so?
She outada. Mr. would love to rub her out the night when you and her and all of them they got Jabba's party. Mr. the girl foot black and dirty. The girl foot black.
No. We're not got no. That's what we're not going to do. We're not going to disrespect her. With a dirty girl. See what I talk about? We're not going to see. No true them not have no loyalty. Mean to say me still can't have loyalty. Cause me no do them nothing, you know. Me no do them nothing. And them not loyal to me. Me no do them nothing. So we now go there and disrespect her. Me just want to say me talk my part, which is true, and talk what them do me and put me under the bus, and that's it. When me say ask question what no one know. Me not mean to say come disrespect nobody and call nobody and me not depend that. Hold this. Me not depend that cause them still not diss me certain way for me this me I take on down if you no come up here with that. Me not depend that. Me people them class me, make them I feel them duty that. Him live alright. Food time now for go on over there. Go on over there now. Go ask him. I could see what I say. I clock him for my fake page cause if him ever trip my head tonight, me I bust it.
Hey, Vanny.
Yeah, how they do? Cardi B look good in bomber class.
You know my opinion now, Vanny, where you never remember if you talk about. You remember the day when you asked him for buy the food for figure it out? And him say,
God. Remember it takes so long?
Alright, and the youth they are hungry enough to go
Hungry
eat
and him a lammy. In God we can go carry. In tell me say he now got a doctor till him buy. I'm tell you, I said to him say Give me the restaurant number. Make me call them directly and we will have somebody for pick it up. I him, me have a message them. I him tell me say no, me will do it. Me say, John, tell me say you got a restaurant and me no want him for wait because I'm hungry. Me will get the pick. Just tell me the restaurant name and me gonna make somebody. And he take God off across and no man, him will tell me say him we buy it, me not have to spend the money for buy it. Him they go to a doctor with Lammy. And you know what boy do? The boy don't go buy the food, the boy keep man Lammy God doctor for spending much hours and then go buy the food and come back.
Exactly. Look here, girl. You have a good heart. And I was texting in the comment and telling you, remember the day about the food. And from that day there, you say, you know, say Marvin a fuck up. Me go block him, you know.
From that day, me tell myself, say me go cut off Marvin. Me don't know how me still deal with Marvin.
Yeah. And I felt so bad because you wanted him to get something to eat. And you can't
A boy hungry there now.
That's true. And him depend the level.
I feel so bad because when as me say me hungry, Javi make food reach at my door instantly.
Oh, I feel so bad. Me say me feel it for you. And me feel it for him.
You know why worst part of it? I never asked if you do it for free. You could have, you see the fact that message I just the restaurant name me one. Me have somebody who can pick it up and you tell me say you are gonna pay a fee young and your woman got doctor and spend much hours and job over there starve till the boy start go eat oats. You're wicked Marvin, you some little fishy thing you do and people now see it.
True, I saw everything. So at that point I didn't want to come across because you forget about it. So big up yourself,
thanks mama, thanks babe.
Alright.
You see? There's so much to go. Let me see if I can add any comments. Where? Yes. See little thing them where pop up now. And then you want to come like for act like a saint. You know, stop it.
Let me depend the money because she tell Marvin straight up that if she want the only thing she want to hear about is money or food. She tell him in she feels.
Something. God show me a sign and tell me if I lie. Me I tell say Lamina use Marvin for the kind. You might tell.
She tell him in his face already.
Kind she use it. I'm Marvin no. Brother, if Javi win for contact and Jaden, how much time Marvin call up on the phone and say, what kind of style? You know, say Marvin vexed to the bone when Lammy dare him for the AC. Lammy say, Marvin say, what kind of style this? For what kind of style this for every time we do something, yeah, dare me for buy your things, I dare me for buy your things, I dare me for buy your AC. He say every time he go live, he look at the comment section and ask him, say, you're not buy the AC, you're not buy. So if I get to him, I say, you know, like every time he go live, the people them are asking for the AC, saying vex. We don't even like each other because on a partner, on a sit down and chat your partner. Then if you sit down and do that, who is you? What you do to your own friend and me? Me know I'm glad me black you. I'm glad Javin I deal with you. Cause you're wicked.
When all you was supposed to do. So
sometimes he call my phone and have my phone and me and him talk and I tell me about Javi a good youth. You know like you want to start one conversation. Like what you think? Me I go tell you nothing if you go back go tell Javi. Why me sit down and have a conversation with you? Why am I calling me now and saying? Cause you forgot why you call me for call the woman. Why you call me?
Take me down.
Listen, Marvin live. Let me go here.
Big up yourself.
Look from Pain Blank, figure it out. Now figure it out style. Guys, hold on. You know how figure it out act live naturally. You know figure it out stay upon live naturally. Not dead point figure it out this. Hold on. Watch him out play. Watch out.
I'm going.
Watch him out.
I can do 5K views. I am there on that too.
Watch out.
Hey, Art, man. Run on Versace. Okay. Versace, team. Remember me say I support because.
Here, I'm not living. Javi is talking now. Listen how I'm talking.
You get 5K views over there now. I know what man really.
I know me.
Yo, bro, you famous?
No, sir, nobody don't know me. Come like a smart day in the life and then drop in.
Be yourself, yeah?
Business and mix up in here, bro.
Let me see if I can. Learn to be yourself. Learn to be yourself. That's all I can say. See if I can find one. One live when drop it alive. Learn to be yourself. How will the live them? They may try to look for one live when in the live on TikTok I talk. I'm gonna send one to my page with me show people them. When you sit on the live.
This is hit the road, Jack. Gotta go.
What up? What up? What up?
Catch it!
Mommy, what?
I get bald! I get bald! What do you mean what? I get bald! Starboy! About what? I get bald about what? What? Starboy! Thank you!
Sweetheart, you okay?
What's the man mouth? Look how Javi doing lip them. Him ever fall him lip?
Yeah, baby. Sweetheart, you okay? She don't want to take it off. Let me block you, car. Always that
Be yourself, brother. Be yourself. Be yourself. Starboy, thank you. Be yourself. That's all I can tell you. Be yourself. And that's it. Don't have for them no. Take me depend them too long. Be yourself. Be yourself. The mad you look like you want to come cuss. Let me give you what you want. Guys, wanna follow Starboy? Hold on, let me give you one card. Where you want?
No. No.
What?
No.
Vanny me ask about the beach date. How did it go? Who pay for it? The beach date. Who pay for the beach date?
Thank you. The beach date?
Yeah, cause me see them go on 2 dates tomorrow. Now who pay for the date them?
Wait, me gotta care up that. Starboy! Why you tell the people them say a job will pay feet? And when you pick up security car go Elsha Beach, when security them tell us that $12,000 feet you couldn't find it.
Yeah, cause me see Javi, me see figure it out, come down at the beach, come give security the money like my pay for the service to Marvin. And then me see
Marvin, go to the beach. Jaden, tag them and they can talk. Cause them say let me tell. Javi and Jaden and Marvin go to the beach and Marvin never have the money for pay feet and Javi pay feet and him carry the security them which is Javi security and find it hard to get the $12,000 for the security. When me
that's why Jaden and Bashim one time must have film security.
Tell me say I like me a blood clot cell. Tell him no.
Yeah, that's why Jaden and Bashim when him see a film security. Jaden I say I can't film security. I figure it out security. I figure it out pay for it. I figure it out a child.
Make him security and him carry it and
yeah, figure it out a child. Make him look good.
When the security forget the money and him a neng and Javi say to him, so you know, I make money on TikTok, I make money in a broke and pay for security because you want the security come. And I'm going to bust it up, you know. Because you so much things.
When you come... Yeah, cause figure it out. When him say figure it out, I try make him look. You know, want him look no way. So figure it out. I see a for them link. When them got it,
what people don't understand with everything want go on. You realize that Javi not really speak on it. You know, so the only thing Javi say is It dog just do me something and me just now want him or allow me people them for my life and you know say I'll no figure it out no go down in a if him for go down in a details and come talk everything. Him still no go down and me come out attack. Him not talk. And Marvin
Me see one clip when time Javi pay the security them for Marvin. Me see it on one page them FYP clips. Me see clip.
Marvin is a traitor, him liar and him wicked. And you know why everything speak out because him a make brother you see internet a boss with even though me not care no. How long time you get
Vanny,
and you still allow the internet for drag with and you know what you do.
Vanny. So yesterday, you can hear me?
Yeah.
So yesterday after you come up for Sassy Live, right? Marvin
Yeah, next time
Mars.
on fake page. I want to wicked girl, you know. Yeah, this is a she not spit no justice. When we go up on fear like she want the woman come give her again. She have a fake page where every time the page come, she come make bad things up me and I find out that oh she's so good sassy P. Me die.
So Marvin Mads, moderator them, held a whole meeting and was talking about you, Figure It Out, and Lammy, right? So Javi, first Marvin went over there and him not say nothing. So then Javi come over there and him say, yo, y'all gonna make it worse. Y'all need to stop. And they kept going until Marvin come back and said, oh, y'all need to stop this. But then why you didn't say something the first time when you went and saw it? You have to wait till Javi come and see it and then say, yeah, stop. You know what I mean? Like, if your sister them talk negative about you and Javi, why you didn't say, hey, y'all need to stop and control your moderators?
Thing with Lammy, she have to wait till me say something and Marvin says something for in the ending of the match. For she want to act like she that tell him say why wait till we it's like a way of a force you for say. Me no want.
Yeah, and then me over there tell them say, yo, y'all need to stop. And they talking about, oh, well, you need to get off of here and block me.
Him
and
say you are like, alright, ask him what me lie about to be exact. Tell him to be exact.
Oh wait, oh no, me. I bought the money them. Him say I bought the money.
Which money?
The money them.
Which money?
Him said I say I'm not kidnap.
Who for money by the iPhone? Well, let me have now. Who give Marvin another same money that Marvin use and buy the iPhone? Who for money by the iPhone, Lammy? Marvin. Now me give 4 uni and 1 line and you cash out the money and go buy iPhone give woman. When you went on the date on the beach and the Elsha, you named the fool and never have the money to pay the security. Who paid for it there?
A big fish like that, they never have money to pay for.
Come, I never say me pay for that where them got yam fish. I never me pay for it, but my man did. My man did, not me. And me buy Lammy phone and Lammy have now. As me give you the money and you have to go take the money, do something proper, you take your money, go and buy a woman phone. And then who you turn around to a beg? My man. Who you turn around a beg after when you're broke and buy the phone? Me man. You want to put on this show to the girl like you have money, you know, deep down you don't have no money. And when you spend out your money, who you turn around and beg after? No, me could talk about it now. When you spend half your money on Lammy, because you want the internet feel like you have it and you do something good and you treat woman good, because you want to figure it out so bad. You want to be him so bad. You want it look like you have it like him and you can keep on date, you can buy up this and buy up that. And when you use your little money where you have and done it there, so who you turn around to and beg after? Just like when you did one by the week. Who tell us, we're not getting money for by the week. Where do you want the money? What Jaden did tell you say? What me did tell you say? What Javi did tell you say?
But how she for want a man buy her wig for her birthday? That mix up. That not sound right.
You did not share anything. They lie. Anybody come up over here come say him say black them too. Anybody will come over here come say him say black them too.
Bonnie, how you doing?
Hallelujah.
Listen, Marvin, a real dog shit, you know. Let me tell you. Come on, my own story. Right?
Oh,
Marvin.
wait. Wait. And the gifter when name Shelly or Sassy. The gifter will give him what day when the one over there play big, the one over there play match. You see that gifter that we must name Shelly or Sassy. Shelly, why did you text Marvin and tell him that you have 100k coins put on for him birthday and only come back and sell him an interstellar? My dear. Why did you text Marvin privately, Shelly? Marvin gifter Shelly. Why did you text Marvin privately and tell him, oh, you have 100k coins? Can you recharge for him birthday? And when him birthday come, you only send him one interstellar. Hello. Hello, bust it up, you know. Ask Marvin if that's a lie, you know. And Shelly, we know if a lie or not, because Shelly, I'm pretty sure you have a conversation with Marvin. You never tell him, say you have 100k or how much coins for give him for him birthday and still only come back and come send him one universe. I know you will see this pan screen record. You haven't got to talk about that. Because she's my bad man and I lie, me I tell. Yeah. Come.
Ivan, you ready for the story?
Shelly a grind. Shelly want you, even though she still love me. Hey, no, me bust it up, you know. Bust it up over here, you know. Tell people them how you Shelly look your text, that even though she know love me in the picture. Hey, no move, no sad. Do anything for money.
You ready for here now? All right. So I didn't know Marvin, you know. And the boy thief me 10,000 US dollar. Right? 2.5 million out there.
No,
Right? So that Mercedes with Marvin have. And if I see him, I my money by that.
No, for true, I say something I thought for true.
I swear to God, if you ever hear the full story.
They tell me a story, because right now I feel like you're trolling.
All right. I'm going to have proof, you know. I can't send it to your inbox.
You have to send me proof them, because
All right.
Marvin, I try to make my man look bad. No, thank you.
So what happened now, right? At the time, I had cancer. I was going through chemotherapy. I had kidney failure. I was doing dialysis. I was on heavy narcotics. So my state of mind was not, you know, functioning fully. I couldn't remember my name. I couldn't remember my birthday, things like that. And my mother and my sister have to help me. You understand?
Yeah.
But the on phone with Marvin now and we attack nice. The man saying, I'm a man. All right. He saying birthday come up. He want buy one car and get a good deal, Ray. If me can lend him the money for buy the car. And me and gang go lend the man the money.
Right? You kind of like then and when we are like each other, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So I lend the man the money, he's saying we'd get it back to me certain time, like he said June 10 then. Right? June 10 come, I say, Marvin, I need my money because medical bills and all these things.
1 minute, ma'am. You don't move on that blood clot. The woman could have changed her mouth and say, she and him never did him just thief her. She's being honest. If she and him did low-key like each other, so basically them did attack as man and woman. And he's saying one car, and if she can't let him, if she and him dead, you know, must expect. If Javi call me right now and say, 5,000 US, if me have it in my account, me I go lend it to him. If him sell it, if blood clot give it back, I'm say lend. When I go like, you not take care of man, if one man say, this, you not buy one man. Two of them attack, and he say, borrow money for buy a car. She have it, and she lend it to him. And him forgive her back now, because I'm say lend. That's why when time me not tell them lending, I say, give. Come have it forgive back. Go out there, Mr.
So I let him the money, him buy the car and all these things. So when the time come now, me tell him say, Marvin, me need about money. You say, you go pay me about certain time. And that the time come and pass. Till the same day, nothing. Not a red penny. Mom, me a come.
Marvin, look at
Vanny, me a go inbox you, yeah?
I'll make you know. Me
I go inbox you, girl. Just look out for my name, yeah?
Alright.
Aye.
Marvin, I'm wicked. Yo.
Aye, you can take me down now, please.
Yes, me I go follow you later, call me there your feet later. Chat.
Aye,
Marvin a chopper car, when Marvin have lamb, Marvin have woman over there fuck pa. You me to bust it up. Hey, yo, Javi do me that, me jump back to your bar. You see Marvin a kiki, clock with Lammy. What I'm telling people them when they... Vanny, stop it. Hey, no, me talk, you know. Me talk. Then you think Marvin have him woman them? Him gift away him Shelly, man, or a grind, now that I will him say. Shelly, why you have the 100,000. Why you have the coins them? We tell Marvin say you recharge how much gift fee. And when I'm birthday, I want to sell you go give him. I leave you to go ask him that because you animal conversation. My dear. And if it get there, I pull up my receipts. So I don't want to get Javi involved, you know, because I don't want to feel like my man tell me things. Because if me ever pull up my record, you see me. I want me to go on. Me I try add somebody, but me I look for match play. I don't care if she a shoot. That have nothing to do with me. The fact that I'm not a loyalty to nobody because I'm chatter. Him chatter go and him chatter come. And if him dare say a lie, just go in my gallery. I dare him for say a lie. Go over there go ask him and I'm making him say a lie. Or pressure him for say a lie. How would I mean? You have to comment and say odd. Oh, see one of them people them here. Come. I could answer you. Me a click her, but it now.
Ivani, if blood clot, figure it. If you say Marvin, we can figure it.
Bye. I could block you. Me know that page there. Block. Come back again for another page. You're blocked. Blocked. Anybody else? Come again. Next page. Where next page there? Send the request again or comment for add. As you dip, you not get a chance for talk. As you come, you get it. I'm so man, I do. As him come with him fake page, I get it.
Vani, who wants to someone to sassy pay big so good old woman. We not allow the woman alone. She for go.
Me I tell her how me know say it's a sassy pee. I must share guide Lammy and I tell Lammy what to do because you see if you follow that woman, she's all about the money. Notice when everybody in our box, me I sure me know say the woman I like me. Everybody in our box says Sassy P, it is not about the money and that lady is no gifter to nobody. Here Sassy P. But suppose Lamia wonder how the gifter feel. She don't pan how the gifter feel. She's no gifter to nobody.
She overall lower class.
If you're supposed to get the lion. Yes, she have to become a runner. You know? If you're supposed to get the lion.
So all likewise, she can't get young
she's supposed to get the lion. What she do? She not to take the lion. So you tell the woman say she for drop her. Remember Sassy did pop barrel and say she don't go send God Jamaica. Did for old Drakes and all no it no reach. Sassy, I wouldn't mind the people them buy everything for Lammy on the wish list and you're going to thief them. Don't forget say you did forget slippers and look where the barrel and look something with them was Sassy for send God Jamaica. I know she not said that she thief every blood clot. Well, I pray it. I want you thief everything with them buy for Lammy. Cause here now. Lady, come send me one more uni again, please. Cause the woman must send her a uni. You know, see how she had Macy. And when Macy come on the screen and I talk about ice, it will our moderator and everybody jump off our screen. And when Macy gone and they add back here, the people they say they're nasty because why the man at this ice here, no? He must drink something and me make everybody come from my live. Me not take off from me here. The woman that me know say you.
She a hypocrite, make sure go lower alone with her old self. She got dead. She got dead because she old. She need for dead.
She did buy and not drinks. She did do something for somebody. And for send one look up barrel and the woman thief everything. She never said it. She never said it. Whether the way they did for send at Jamaica.
She a hypocrite.
And something she look. Me not ask if one slippers on the wish list for her. Something she look. Yeah, to that league, yeah, something shallow. I don't know she could have cost me did black her from my page, you know. It's always been to go over the pan. The pretty sensation page, me black her.
So what Javi do to Hakim? Talk about that.
What?
Who is Jessica and Blood?
Sorry, alright, listen, you have to go stay enough for your country now. This is a Jamaican blood clot. What the fuck you come up here and talk about, man? We don't stay over Guyanese. And you know, see, say Jamaican mix up this. We don't see, you know, say accent different. What the fuck about blood? Who name so? Me never know if people what you talk about.
When I cut the student number, check my sister girl for me, now, please.
Where am there?
If you
Which
have,
one?
alright, please.
Alright.
On eat boss, man. Check for me killer for me, please.
Alright.
I make me know what I go on, yeah. That's
Yeah,
new
yeah.
and call him and check for it. Yeah.
Alright.
Let me know.
Lord Jesus, I'm start fretting if something to do, man. Well, they call Jaden phone, it just ringing up. Jaden got that drunk. Jaden got party and drunk. Hold on. Let me see if Javi answer me. He got party and in drunk, so I'm probably asleep. I don't know where Javi is. Javi is up on the road. Oh, I'm gone on dates. I don't know, the two of them must be drunk. Javi did up on the road. I don't know. I have to wait till then text me back. I don't know. I don't know to my life, baby. Your life will get banned. You should have come down. You should have come down, you know. Cause no my life I go get permanent ban of yours. If I go up on a fake page again. That don't have nothing to do with my life, baby. You could have ring it till God kingdom come. That not affect my life in no way. Yes, you me I. I watch TV, I say late.
You know, what like you face that everybody else. What make you so blood clot tormented, Vani? Vani, you know, so you need to stop this blood clot, cause TikTok no resolve around you. Me's not a fan of Lamina, one blood clot Rosalie, me say. And you know, so you do not like blood clot Rose, and you make
let me ask you a question.
Enter the chat.
Let me ask you a question. You like Rosalie, right?
Yeah.
You like Rosalie, I just say one Rosalie. This topic has nothing to do with Rosalie. Why you carry Rosalie name over here? No, you should have left. Where you left for? That for sure how TikTok the same one is corrupt. You say you like her. And a one Rose. This not have nothing to do with Rosalie. Nobody call her name or talk about her. Why you bring her name over here? And then when screen recording go now, you see how she come later on because she don't understand the night and she fufu like a while. You see she come later now and start cuss now so people are call up her name when nobody speaking about her. You so-called love her. Why you call the woman name over here? And then you jump. Where you jump for? Because you know me I lick the nail pan the hammer. Where you jump and gone for? So no love problem. Yeah, no love problem.
Bonnie.
Hello.
Can buy more AC.
You
can buy more AC.
Go ask Marvin. Marvin, hey. Let's see a blood clean.
Bonnie. Just a pass by making us some love, yeah?
Alright, enough love.
Alright,
Man, you need to stop. I give people them time to talk with them upon their mind, because they go in a box. One back me start at me can't do this.
Vanny.
Yeah?
One Vanny, me love you, girl. Girl, me love you. Me love you. No one want to come on your line. Me love you, girl. Me's a Jamaican girl. Me love you. I cook food, make every girl go suck them mama. Any girl no like you, tell them go chuck off for them mama, me
Yes, people
girl.
that talk about go on Destiny Life. Black them off of my page.
Girl, me say years me dying for come on your life. I love you like cook the food.
Yeah.
Yes, straight
No
from
flow.
your
Alright,
country.
big up.
That's straight Jamaica. Big up yourself and love you one more time, a girl.
No love. Every time I come up with that thing, I come here black on, you know. The people that will come about check this, black them. Him having fake page, I comment that black them. Cook the food. I want to have cook the food. What not about? On a random stamina, I want to have. And that she said, cook food. I wish I thought about.
Hello, beautiful body.
It's a crack up. It's a crack up.
I feel like that, Joe.
Eh?
It's a crack up.
No, I hear
you. Nah, hear me now.
They not hear now.
Bumbuckler, baby, you know how long more I talk to you, Vani. About 10 years now, me I try to talk to you, no, mama.
10 years?
Mama, me about 10 years now, Vani. Vani, remember a long time, I tell you, remember a long time, I popular, and a long time, I know you, you know, from Instagram days, you know, man.
Alright. So
go on, baby girl, you alright?
Yeah, me alright. All the people them to see what them have some situation.
Buckler, baby, always a glow. Me I tell you, baby, watch them, man, oh God.
Alright, later, because
me I tell you.
Me can't make Javi left me right now. I'm sorry. No, sir, me can't make Javi left me. Me can't do that. And then when Javi left me, gone now. Guys, I lash me no. It not bother me though, but it keep on a drop down. But it not really bother me.
Oh shit.
I say still. Big head woman, you know you send a request, you cut up, but watch this. Like saying you don't know, say you send request, yeah. But watch this. Me know Javi did tell me say him go talk to him. I don't add people now, I can't go on. Can't play much. I'm not go on now, because I don't make sense. Let me see what them. How do you my flex? Dirty hoe. Bitch. Got someone taught the things in Trey!
Hello, Ivani.
One more long time in see you.
Because as soon as we went on a date,
Instagram or TikTok.
As soon as we went on a date one time and we kissed on the mouth, you want to act like you don't want to go live with me anymore.
You lie, you never kiss for about a blood clot. Stop telling lie. You're too lie.
Listen,
You want to play a match with me?
I have a series coming up. I would. Come back to me later, okay?
Okay, yes. I'm sorry, I wasn't. All right, I will.
Bye.
All right, bye. What you said?
Brother, I didn't know, say yo, me not spread whole heap of positivity in that. I mean, I say, me not make una laugh, bro. You see me, I not say, me not make una feel good, and me not enjoy every single thing when me there at the phone, bro. But for my peace and for my own feelings, bro, to me, it better me just stay by myself, bro. I mean, that would have involved in not meeting Pumpkin and thing, which me appreciate her. And she's a wonderful girl. You see me, bro, she have my back. And everything when I do, I just try my best to just make me and her work with every single thing, bro. You see me, bro, I know we make mistakes and things, but just say we're not perfect, you understand, bro? But more when I look into everything that you have to ask, you know you're rough, you see me? Mother always told me, so great, you will get a fight still, you know, so never they really believe that until I can see it. So I was still big up my mother anyway, she did. Now let them stress play. Me a wanna vibe. And the Lord is around us. And blessings around us. I care who like me. We just about show us. The Lord is around us. Blessings around us. I care who like me. We just about show us. Family comes out. Think that got me. See it when you feel it. Family comes out. Life has meaning. Get the new keep on believing. To see it and feel. Oh, life is full of sometimes. I've done something in my life. I mean, God put me upon a journey, so you know, I start and you have my ending. You know why he chose me. You understand? It could have been anybody, so I have to just work with him, you know. So I have to just work with him. Think that got me. See it when you feel it. Family comes out. Life has meaning. Get the new keep on believing. When today is a new day. It comes to life. Praises to the Lord to see you from sanctified. Now make them stress me. Me a whole of vibe. If I don't teach you, I'm more than a qualified. When I see nobody out there, bro, I'm like, say I'm dead.
See no one go. Can't do nothing that shot. Them on the lip and down. Baby face down flat. We have some place where we not go. I know a few things where if you want them. So you know make sense that they can't do this. But them say you want to see when the right time come. You go leave on pressure. Anyway, money they ain't playing. They see what they jealousy and hate. They want to feel so they must pray about. I want a situation. They want to show in the picture. Anything that's in the video was you. I think that they have given me a head out. This is a destination that they're
Can't stop me. On my day, mankind so evil. Surely know what me a God. Anyway, when you love me a God. Make them want to make my dick up and nobody make you easy. I tell them one thing. They ain't gonna leak your secret. I talk about that the them search a smile. So who leak it? Cause I'm gonna talk with the enemies. I'm with the enemies. But tell them they be smart. So they move like the truck. My youth, you are part of the enemies. You are part of the enemies. You play a part 100% to my enemy. Can't stop me. Can't believe nobody but myself still. Can't believe nobody but myself still, I know. Should I know better, you know? Know if you bitch where if you want them. So it don't make sense that they can't do it. But them still say you want to see when the right time come. You will leave on pressure. Anyway, money they ain't pleasure. They see what they put jealousy and hate. They want time for themselves, they must scrape on. I want a situation. Them on to show in the pleasure. But anything that's in the video was you. I think that they have given me a head out. This is a blessing that show like they don't pass it. The only one who fear my day. The white police, mankind so evil. Okay, you see them, but they know the price. Me and I'm superhero, can't save the world. Me and my child, me and God. Surely no one in God, but me and God. Anyone you in love, need some time on this life. Myself, I was a reason. Make them want to me man pick up and nobody make you easy. But I tell them one thing, them call it a secret. I talk about that them search a small, so I will leak it. Cause I'm gonna talk with the enemies. I'm part of the enemies. But tell them they be smart, so they move like the truck. My youth, you are part of the enemies. All of the enemies, you pay a part 100% to my enemy. This is a blessing that show like they don't pass it. You know that I never let us say them can't stop me. The only one who feel right there. Can't deny that shot, them on the lip and down. When me face down flat. We have some place where we not go back. I know a few bitch where if you want them. So it don't make sense that they can't do it. But them still say you want to see when the right time come. Chat, all of them follow my page, follow me. But Claire, Bunkin, you're pretty, you're fuck me. I think you're pretty, not pretty like I am. How going? Good?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
Great, man. So you live so nice. You live so nice, man. I come here, I jump to your phone and kiss her right now. Yes, I'm jump to your phone. You know, so I love the diagram for talking. I love the diagram for me. Hello, Ramso. You happy? You look nice, though. You look pretty, you know.
Me, I wait for you to say it again, patiently. What did I wait to say?
Yeah, man, you look pretty. You're pretty up, bro.
What you say?
You look pretty, man. You know, orange people.
Thank you.
Like the orange people. Like the orange people. You know, so I watch orange.
Yeah, whenever you go orange, you can try orange.
Let's switch up orange. So I'm motivated in the night of Punky. Now we over there.
No.
Then I don't.
I just like to play some music.
Play something. Find something for me and make me hear where you can play for. Find something, please.
Something nice, something chill.
I want a love song more here, you know. Find you want a love song or so. I sound like I want a good man song here, please. So why me I had to fight?
You don't like that one day?
No, give me something different.
You don't like that one day?
No, give me something different.
Seriously?
Give me something different.
Alright.
Remember, so we go to church today, you can't play them too outrageous.
What?
Remember, so we go to church today, so you have to be careful with your play.
Alright then. So
Team support. Pumpkin, right now I feel strong in the night. I come at me do one series.
what kind of series now?
Eh?
What kind of series you want to do? Want to do some song clash?
No. Song clash. You have rum, come drink. All those take a drink. First to 5, all those drink.
When you drunk, me have to come from, alright?
You must come for your pumpkin. You know, so that time, I best time, I drive all faster when I'm junking.
No. You're not going to do that. If you drink, you never can drive.
Oh, so I'm not going to drive. I lift up the car and fly. You know what I already pumpkin. I don't feel much. Yes, sir.
But I can't find the song.
Come play a drink. A drink where I play. Come, go for some rum. I lift up for me rum and come back.
Me have from already. Me don't want to show it, but if you don't know what this track, you don't know what this, you don't know what. Hi, babies. I wouldn't say I'm gone for the down, you know?
Yes, sir. No liquor water. No liquor water. What kind of water? I can't dare say my baby with me. I want to go find a night and I drink water. Yeah, man. You have rum, don't pumpkin. So go feed no pumpkin and tackle him up the thing, no move.
I took on my dresser. I'm have more than one. So, but me not, why me not show it? For them to sleep like first
and you always bathe in the water. Oh, I pray for you.
blood clot. So what do you think of Pretty Low like this song?
Pumpkin, shoot or drink? Chat, shoot or drink we have play. So you have to tell one shoot. If we don't want answer shoot, then we drink. Yeah, here, Pumpkin.
Chat, power taps, power taps.
You hear me?
Get time to play the song for you, may I play it and you know all.
Well, lock off the song. I hear the love song, I love it. But here what go on. No, I can't listen to love song when more up and junk. We get down to business, Pumpkin. I can't dance all if love song and more than love song.
Listen, open your ears and listen.
I don't want no love song and something more than that more than
you have to go listen then or you go mute me.
I'm going to pray for me. That's a nice song. Oh, I want a song right now and jump more Pumpkin up and jump right now to get down to business now. Very nice song.
Already?
That one right now.
Thinking of one, right? When people come out from the important part of it. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here at last. Oh, I prayed for you. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here at last. Can we take me home? Touch me on my face. Kiss me on my hand.
People are jam, man. People are jam, man. A team locking.
Can we make myself look focus chat. Feel the first super chat. Jojo, thank you, boo.
Chat, make a play. Team, times 2, make a play, team.
Chat, quarter. Your time to play a song now. Your time to play a song now, baby.
I'm gonna play a song?
Yeah.
I'm gonna play a song for you.
Yeah. My side, get your speed, chat. Get your speed on my side.
I'm gonna play a song. Chat, everybody send one floor some, please.
Alright, that is it. That is it.
Yeah, everybody send one floor some.
Yeah, wait for the song.
Don't worry about it. Pumpkin, don't worry about the song, man. Team, times 2. Alright, this is my song.
Double chat, double make it.
Chat, team, make we use the double, make we use the double, team. Make we use the double, team, make we use the double, team. Play. Team. Team, make we push up, please. Team. Team, make a push up. Team, make a push up.
On a double chat.
Team, wanna focus now, team. Hold on.
My side, make you see if we can help out and snipe chat. Chat snipe. So many ways, Jaja bless me.
Cause girl, you my love. You my love. What kind of other girl you go and tell me but no girl, you my love. I'll tell you as I want the action speak pumpkin. Alright, me I tell me know you're not gonna wait. Perfect, for you I try to be. You were my future. Wish I could see. Everything you do is affects me. So feel so empty. So many ways, Pumpkin, it's not the same. I want to play one more song for you, my baby. Just give me one more song. Just one more song. I play this already, but I can't stop playing for you, cause boy, I have to play it for you again, Pumpkin, I swear. Girl, you give me the tightest one ever in my life, Pumpkin. You me no one squeeze, all me walls and around you. Girl, you give me the tightest one. Chat snipe. Come in and drink, you know. Chat snipe. Chat snipe. Team snipe. Marvelous. Thank you. Watch out. Time up. Chat and play. Snipe. Team. Thank you. My team. Thank you.
We try. What is something? One time out, 10 minutes, 10 second time out.
Thank you so much, team. Appreciate it. Pumpkin, my truth to you.
My baby. So I'm gonna play my one.
No, you're not. Yeah, hear me, Pumpkin.
Thank you, my baby. Let me hear you.
I chew with our drink we are playing. Yeah, I chew with our drink. So hear my question. Hear my question. Yeah, man, that's what I play. I chew with our drink. Chat, let me can ask her. I chew today on Sunday, no, yeah, let me can ask her now. Chew with our drink.
We want to ask me, where you think?
No, I keep it casual. You enjoy today when I teach you how to drive my car. I like it. I drive big things, huh?
Fabulous.
Yeah, that's it. This my boy, my car see because I can't go back, boy. You're right. This my car seat, boy, what my car seat could have gone all the way back fast. I think a whole car. And a whole car. Team, thank you, Pumpkin team. Big up on them, so I appreciate that.
That was the first trip with the chat.
Chat, first stripper. Ask some fish. I told you that son, I really want to go down deep in the chat. Stripper, Diva.
First stripper chat, first stripper chat, first stripper.
Chat, elbow, Diva. Thank you so much.
Chat, first stripper.
Chat, elbow, Diva.
Thank you, BX.
With your number.
Use the triple chat, use the triple them outside. Chat, triple.
Number 7. Much more we need for guy number 7. Slim baby, thank you. Appreciate it, Slim baby.
Right behind me. Chat, me go Snapchat and push up the score on my side. Chad Portups. Man, I hear you know, you mute or something.
Yeah, some of the submit off medicine. We tell the end up. Thank you, my side.
I say, chat, we can use the double chat.
What do you think?
We can use the double chat. Why them people want me this them, Marvin?
Oh, yeah. Focus, man.
My head hot, you know. I don't know what that chat.
Bro, I'm telling you already.
I said, we can use the double chat, we can use the double my son.
That makes sense. Reaction. Pumping focus.
That's all in my head right now. Focus, focus.
Yeah, focus.
I said, use the double there, try. Use the double chat.
Yeah. When I catch you down, just go and pour it out, man. Say. Go and pour it out. Pumping focus. Yeah, the good. Focus on drinks or later. Problem.
That's
how I'm going to focus on. Zuma pumpkin. That's it. That's it.
the song.
I'm a moderator them doing our life. Where are my moderators, bro?
Go to later get them. Diamond.
Beaver, chat, snipe. Team.
Don't let them snipe in a chat.
Team.
Come on, that time my mind's a trying to take a friend. Alright. So all of my suppers, I'm gifters, thank you, my baby.
Thank you. Team, thank you. Team, wanna pour it up for me? Everybody pour it up, please. I can reach 500,000 for that. Why question no, Pumpkin? Talk to me. What you ask me? What are you talking about? Sunday?
No more, there's so much, but I don't know.
Remember today or Sunday, take your time. Team, we actually can reach up on the podium, you know, bro. We just need to lock in and play. We can reach out the easy team. T, end them polling, bro. I need my moderators.
ask you, just drink. Chat power tops.
I want me drink. Then I'm known if you ask me. Bro, I'm kidding. You should just ask me and let me tell you. You should just look for me and say, boy, I don't know if Brazil are going to lose the World Cup. And, you know? But I understand, I say, go.
Is it true that I make you happy?
Can I hear that question, that pumpkin? Every day I smile around it. Wait, you're going in the pumpkin.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, public question now. Chat, make go use the time. I don't know where you get the maple phone you from. Yeah, I say every day I smile around a pumpkin. More you come around me all this in your color. Color and chang, you know, it's nice too. But chang, man, don't kill me.
I said, I'm going to use it over the chat.
Yeah, those. Yeah, team. I could use them. Silver Queen, thank you. Team, I could use them.
Chat, double. Chat, double.
So, big up chat. I could use them in the chat. A number here today now we can reach up in the top 5, you know. Team, I could play. Team, I could lock in and play. We can reach up in the top 5. It's so easy.
If I ever made you angry, just know that it get better with time. They say times she can't see what put on me, she's so busted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you're busted. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Maybe she been going to see he angry. I wish that we could change faces. Don't want no more faces.
Chat, I could get some flowers and try to catch a speed of myself, please. Team, I could get some flowers and try to catch a speed of my team. Everybody send up flowers. Team, everybody send up flowers, please. Pumpkin team, everybody send up flowers, please. Everybody send up flowers. Team, one more. I need one more, chat. Somebody different. One more. Team, somebody different. One more.
Me them chat.
Alright, that is on my side. Thank you. Team double. So sick.
Chat, I'm going to use it over chat.
Beautiful and sweet.
So sick, thank you. Chat to the airport, so sick from me, please. So sick, bigger.
Chat, I'm going to use it over the chat. Chat, double.
Chat to the airport, so sick from me. Serve a quick, bigger. Chat on the airport for me, please. Team on the airport and play. Pinky, bigger.
Just kiss me slow. Your heart is so light, and in your eyes you're mine.
So slick. Big up yourself. Thank you.
Dancing in the dark, you and my arms. Baby, from the cross, listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you perfect tonight. Well, I found the one stronger than anyone I know. Someday I'll take her home.
Olivia.
I found the love
Punky, me not tell I still in this. So we go rafting one day and me and rub it down at you, don't even know. So me and rub down your legs, you know, Punky, and me and say, jeez, the Punky legs, the Punky legs them feel good, you know.
Chat, you can't
Tell
stop.
me, I tell them. More rub it down so again still. You think
I want
about
a
it?
chance. What am I going to? What am I going
Yourself,
to?
mother. Thank you. Appreciate it. I mean, I'm gonna rub it down again. That would have nice. My mother, big up yourself. Team, so slick, big up yourself. Chat, appreciate all on the team with your number 8, so cool with your number 8 in there. Chat, how much you want for number 7? My question to you, Pumpkin, is it true that you enjoyed the 2-inch?
If I do 1 2-inch, I probably wouldn't, but I did.
That's it.
Chat, power tops.
Alright, team, big up for yourself. Appreciate that. 685 for number 7. Alright, chat, we need a Galaxy for number 7. We need a Galaxy for number 7. Chat, see you triple out. Jesus Christ, it's 2-inch, it's sweet, man. Like, I love it.
I said we can focus and see if we can get the game in chat.
What you got number 7? I joke thing. Hold on, let me check them. Oh, no, man, I want Galaxy 1. Chat, we need a Galaxy for pass number 7.
I said we could use the first triple chat. First triple chat.
Thank you. Olivia, team, lock in,
Chat,
please.
first triple.
Team, lock in for me, my team. Team, play. Team, lock in, I could play.
Alright. I said first triple chat. First triple.
Team, lock in, I could play. Team, use the triple team. Any big gift when you play.
Oh, my stop prize business. Come on, babies. Chat, we can't report on Snapchat.
2K so slick, alright. Island girl, thank you. We need one logo for Island girl. I think Marvelous says he had my Island girl in the group. Alright, so maybe just a touch of Punky. What up, boy, man, lady? All me and
Yeah, oh yeah. What? Alright.
yeah, big man.
I never want to go with you. Don't want to kiss. That 9 person going road.
Try to catch speed. Punky. Yes, and I'm my baby. Me look a goatee.
You want to go to in the city. Chat 4 person road.
Yeah, chat 2 more floors. When your eyes are
One rose, chat. One rose.
Alright, that is okay. Catch it down and make a play. Pretty girl, Punk Alien, hold on, my mother, no shoot yet. We up on the double. Alright, play now.
Look, you use the double the chat. Chat, double. Chat, look, you use the double chat. Use the double chat.
Team play. Marvelous. Big up yourself.
Use the double chat.
Team play for my team. With your number 7. How much you got number 6 now, chat?
Use the double chat.
Team, how much you need for got number 6 now? People fall in love in mysterious. Chat, how much you need for got number 6?
Use the double chat.
4.9. Alright, team, we need 5 Galaxy for pass number 6. Chat, we need 5 Galaxy for pass number 6. See in chat, we are gonna lock in 4K now. Alright, chat. We need 4 to 5 Galaxy for got number 6. If all ladies, just 1 Galaxy are passing with these. We need 5 ladies for send 1 Galaxy. If you can send a jet or anything big, on do it. Make a pass number 6 my team. Make a push up them. At least you can do that. Me could just kill Pumpkin with liquor over the mixture. Me just go for her later tonight and get her like a 2-inch and you know. I'm in a bag of Ray, you know. Team, everybody, if you can do 1-1 Galaxy in my team, you do it, please. I will a jet chat play. Alien, me a beg you 1 Galaxy, my man. Please, ladies, me a beg you 1 Galaxy. Babe, big up yourself. Pumpkin, man, play one next song for my baby. Listen to that one. That one I want to play for you. Pumpkin, me just want to come for me and come for you. And wrap you up in a bed and play this song. Big.
Nobody get hype now. We make you win. Just easy.
Oh, is we?
We make you win. Just easy.
We, your team, big up your team, but your team not ready for this. Billion, big up yourself.
Thank you, my baby.
96 star chat. We need one Anna. Ladies, somebody say more Anna. Somebody say more Anna team. We need one Anna now to pass number 6. So slick. Big up yourself. Alright, we do number 6. Chat, calculate number 5 for me. Chat, calculate up number 5. Hold on, accept. No, Pumpkin. Wait. No, accept it. My question too is, Pumpkin. $16.5. I will cut that number. Tell me. Question two is, Pumpkin. My question. Where do you see me and you probably a year from now?
I'm gonna be honest. Alright, I can be honest. Yeah, drink. Alright, so this is how everything I'm going right now. Must me live our next country next year. You never expect that, though.
May I run in Jamaica?
You never expect that.
Alright, beloved. We definitely do it. Beloved, let me want Galaxy in the night to do it if I can. I expect that different. But I understand, I see why. I ask that. Team over here did we laugh right now, I ask. Oh, you understand, I see already, you understand.
Support up.
5 years from now, I live in a different country, my dear.
Yeah. Myself, can use the first triple chat?
Team, different country 5 years from now. Wanna hear that? Which country you go Pumpkin? Team, we need 16K for cut down number 4. Number 4 or number 5?
You say we can use the triple chat. Wow.
Number 5.
Boom. You're there. You're something to say.
Number 5.
I mean, you make sure win. What's up, man?
Team, we need 16K for cut down number 5. Chat. Chat big on something. Elia, my mother, may I beg you something big? Chat, may I beg on something. Team, help me. Team, I could push up, team, please. Team, I could push up.
See if we can go up in there and sit on the side there.
No, yeah, man, I want them more beside them. I don't mind them for each other right now.
Chat, what up, shot?
Team? Alright, So we are catch one speed on my side. We catch it and we are going to use it, team. Chat, when I don't give it to me. Alien.
A long time I see you know. Chat Porter.
Alien, don't give it to no mother. Hold on the chat. We will catch a double and make a play. We need 16k chat for cut down number 5. All of my ladies, if you can chat, and even my team, everybody on the live, if you can send one Galaxy, we cut down number 16, make with number 5, make we do it, team. I don't want my ladies to do nothing less right now more than the podium, because we can do it. Easy chat. Everybody send a flowers, please. Styles, big up. Team, lock in, team. We can get one flowers, please. My wish is like a chat. One more. That's it. That's how I talk about. Team, I'm big on 1 Galaxy. Anything. Some more Thai gallery. Anything, my team. Team, make a play. Do you think I'm like, oh, not pretty girl. I'm not a cheerleader. I want everybody want a piece of cloth. I say rough. Chat, everybody use it over. Use it over, 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 chat, use it over, use it over, use it over. Team, everybody use it over. Team. Chat, I don't be going to want big gift on the double now. Any big gift on the double there, chat. Any money, but then anything when I said I get the next one free. Oh man, chat, pumpkin team a player now, chat. We know no glove over here. How pumpkin team a move so hard I know. How I go? Pumpkin, I want to find money from.
Chat Porter, I have some spicy question for us now.
Pumpkin, I want to find money from.
One solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I want. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty.
Team, make a lock in and play, please. Make a lock in and play.
You feel like you tell like really comes up. Take a phone for cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Take a phone for cheerleader. She is always right there.
You think it? Boy, my mother. Elliot. Thank you.
Chat Porter shot. What's your Snapchat?
Alien, thank you.
What's your Snapchat? We can't drop one gloves and snipe.
Alien. Oh, Alien is not mad. Oh, Alien is not mad. Oh, she a mad man. Jesus Christ. I say for Krista. No.
That's live. Snapchat. There was spicy snap. Chat snipe. This is nice. After I have one spicy piston for ox. We try. Sean, thank you, baby. Coming. Glam, big up yourself. K, about time. Thank you, babies. B, what's up? Chat Porter. There are 22 chat. We say we can push up and keep this stay up on a ranking chat. We see if we can stay up on a ranking chat. I said we can see if we can stay up on the ranking. say, you know, miss. The support of them answer you get black and all that. I don't have time for you, baby girl. Me not have answer you. Them will do it for me. Big up yourself. Chat Portaps. Everybody who now follow. My camera blurry.
say I love you. You say you love me. You say you love me. There must be something different. What is that? What is that? No. What should I tell you? You got me alone. I really hate to see you go. Cause if I fight or I cry, I'll find a new man by midnight. Yeah, try to give me some.